Our next speaker is Davie Kerr. As I say, the man who wrote this best-selling book. I'm not embarrassing anybody. This is actually one of the poems from the book, and Davie's from Birniehill. We're a new style, but I'm an incomer here, but I've only been there 51 years. Davie's been there all his days. This is a wee bit more than 51 years. Davie Kerr.
I've told me kind of patriotic insteid tonight. And this is in the Legend O Andra. It was an idea and a poem by Anne Marie Cooke from Linlithgow, which I kind of altered and wrote the last verse or two. The Legend O Andra. Andra, the patron saint of the Scots. A fisherman was to his tredd. When Jesus speir't, will you follow me? He looked up and he said, at Galilee I'll leave all my nets and I'll follow you insteid. A fisher of men is what I'll be, to gether-in folk and whit. A good friend of Jesus he becam, and Simon T, his brother. When 8 other men and James and John trysted with one another. Andra, he rochs the speir't and S.W.R.I, and his master's footsteps trod. And I kept the promise he had made to bring all bare souls to God. It said, when his hour had suddenly come, that hour he was doomed to die, a humbler cross than master, said he, as the young I'd rather see. Sign on a ruch, squeegee cross he did, though a gay proud chiel was he, that chose to give up his life to God, a saint he was sent to be. Ye time was their duel, his leery licht, and death inspired as in life. Freens brought his banes, the saltire shone bright, high in the sky, above a fife. A nation was forged on fateful day, tempered at Athelstane ford, when Albanach Scots baith knelt to pray guidance by Andra, their Lord. His legend is etched in Scotland's flag, white with its back plates ablaze. This wheel-lewed symbol proudly will flee, and mine stalwart Andra take.
Davie Kerr.